Hello everyone, welcome back to Trekking with Tom. First of all, I'd just like to say a massive thank you for all the support I've had in the past couple of days. I had over 1,000 views on the video and over 200 new subscribers, so I'd just like to thank you all ever so much. Just keep clicking that button below and keep liking the videos. Right, today we're going to have a look for some practice wild camping spots. So I'm in the Cobra Country Park, so we're going to have a walk around and have a look and see what we can find. See you soon. Right everyone, I think I found my first soloed wild camp location. Well, a practice one anyway. So I'm at least 100 metres off any known footpath, so I shouldn't be bothered around here. I'll spin the camera around and let you have a look. Right, this is where I think I'm going to do my first solo wild camp. I'm only about a mile away from home, so if I get a bit scared, or at least I can run home in like 10 minutes. Run around here, at least 100 metres away from any known footpath, so I should be absolutely fine. Hoping to do the wild camp next week, so have another look around. So this is definitely like one of the top spots to go at. Absolutely no one round, nice flat dry grass, so we'll go and have a look for a couple more and see what we can find. Right, I think I've just found a better wild camping spot. Let's just take you in and show you around. A bit more secluded, so it's more in the wooded area anyway. So plenty of dry dead logs I could make a little fire out of, cook some food up. Can't see any fresh footprints anyway, so it doesn't look like anyone's been through here. But it could be a bit creepy at night, to be honest. Hearing all weird things. But I suppose that's part of the experience. You'll get used to it once you've done it a few times, but I'm a big strong lad, I'm sure I'll be fine. But let's have a walk down here and have a look at this next location. Right, I think down here will be a suitable little spot for me. It's nice out of the way, no one around, just the crows, bit freaky, but yeah, nice big spot here, plenty of wood around. It's absolutely stunning. No one around. Sun's out, guns out. Very nice. So yeah, this is where I'll probably be doing my first wild camp. It's just a practice one because I'm quite close to home. If anything goes wrong or I need anything, I'm not miles away. And yeah, I think it'll be a good experience for my first time. Right, we're back on the track. It's getting a bit warm now. This down jacket's definitely doing the job. I'd definitely recommend it for £49. So if you haven't watched my first video, click in the previous videos and give it a watch. It was my first one, so it's not going to be the greatest, but like I say, everyone starts somewhere. But yeah, we're going to walk through these woods and see what else we can find. We're on the road again. I feel like Shrek and Donkey. Oh, it's beautiful. Absolutely stunning around here. Wait till all this goes green. Absolutely stunning. So, just going to go for a little walk. Taking a few more clips and then I'll get back to you. Shame this is so close to the track. I could have done a little wild camp in here. Nice and covered up. Could have got my tent in there. Unfortunately it's too close to the path, so we can't do it there. Am I going to get attacked by bats at night? Nice little addition. A few bat boxes. A bit creepy when they're flying around at night though. I bet the guy that just walked past me thinks I'm absolutely mad doing Mission Impossible through the woods. Explain what I was doing, so it wasn't too bad, but I thought it was funny. But you've got to add a bit of humour, haven't you? Got to enjoy yourself. So, right, I think I'm going to end the video there. So it'll probably take me about 20 minutes to walk home now. Might get the odd little picture. But say once again, I'd like to thank everyone for supporting the video. All them likes, all those new subscribers, thank you very much. I'll be posting this video next Saturday of when I've actually done the wild camp, so make sure you tune in and have a look at it then. But that's Trekking with Tom. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.